Now to the devastation caused by Hurricane Fiona. New York City Mayor Eric Adams is set to meet with officials in the Dominican Republic today, all in an effort to support recovery efforts there on the ground. With more, let's bring in Pix 11's Kieran Dillon. Kieran, good morning.
Hi, good morning, Vanessa. Well, Mayor Eric Adams will begin his day meeting with senators from the Dominican Republic in Santo Domingo. He will then travel to a few other cities to meet with local leaders and to distribute resources to the communities. These meetings come on the heels of the mayor doing something similar in Puerto Rico this weekend. The mayor arrived in Puerto Rico yesterday. He pledged to help those impacted by the storm and spent much of the day meeting with local politicians and surveying the damage.
We don't say it lightly that Puerto Rico is the sixth borough of New York City. We mean it, and we're going to continue to be committed to this. We sent the team earlier, immediately after the storm ended, and now this is the next wave, and we're going to continue to speak directly to the officials here and be a partner.
The mayor met with several officials yesterday. The list included Puerto Rico's governor, the Secretary of State, FEMA, the president of the Dominican Republic, along with the mayor of San Juan. All of those meetings were closed to the press. We spoke to people here at home about what they think about the mayor's trip.
Wise decision for him to go over there, especially if there is a bunch of politicians talking about different topics and all that. So
I think it's publicity stunt. I don't really think, it's nothing he could really do physically.
I feel like he could have sent resources over there instead of being over there.
Now, the mayor is set to return to New York this afternoon. Meantime, later today, New York Senator Gillibrand will call for billions in federal relief funds for Puerto Rico. She's also calling for aid to the Dominican Republic. As for Governor Hochul, she has deployed 50 state troopers to Puerto Rico and plans to send more. New Jersey State Police have also deployed a team to the island.